Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make some Cajun shrimp. I've cleaned the shrimp, deveined the shrimp. I have added all of the seasoning on this shrimp and I've been letting it marinate for like 30 minutes. So I'm going to share with you the ingredients that I use in this recipe. Olive oil is in the skillet. I have sea salt, turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chilli, cumin, and cayenne pepper. Now it's up to you how much you want to use of that. I just used a pinch of that. Okay, I added a teaspoon of sea salt to the shrimp. I added half a teaspoon of turmeric. I added 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chilli, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. So let me get started. Let me hook up my little stove here. So, and I did add a pinch of Stevia to the shrimp. Okay, last week we went to the Catch and I ordered the same thing, but mine was less than a pound. This is a pound of shrimp and it cost $15.99 for this to be made. So I said I better get started and make my own because I had a taste for shrimp today. And so I decided I was gonna make my own, and that's why I'm making this video. Let's see how to turn this on. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna let the oil heat up a little bit. And then I'm gonna get started cooking these shrimps. They look delicious just the way they are. Okay, let me give you a closer look of them. Here we go. That looks delicious. So I'm gonna move the camera closer so I can let you see what I'm doing in this with this pan. There's the oil in the pan there. Hi, handsome. Just like that. You can see the skillet, right? That's what you want to see, right? Okay. All right, let me add the shrimp to the pan. Okay. This is a quick and easy dish. You can cook this in no time. These are some very large shrimp. Okay, all right, they're in the skillet now, so I'm gonna let them cook. Got it. Cooking for about 5 minutes. It's almost ready. Like I said earlier, this is a great dish to cook at home. And it's a little cheaper, not that much cheaper. Like I said, I didn't get a pound of shrimp when I went to the restaurant, but today I bought the shrimp from HEB So I got about a pound. So you do get a lot more for your money if you do it yourself versus going to the restaurant. But you know, there's times when you don't really feel like cooking, so it's all good. And this is keto. I'm just trying to get them a little darker. They are ready to eat, and so I'm gonna cut this off. So let me do that, okay? Let me taste the shrimp. It smells so delicious. So let me just taste it. Ooh, I'm gonna get a toothpick. Hold on a second. Be right back. Okay. Let me taste it. Ah, looks so good. Mmm. 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 I'll show you this. It tastes. It tastes delicious. You gotta try this recipe. It's easy keto shrimp. I can't stop eating them. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and comment on my videos to help my channel grow, continue to grow. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and have a wonderful day.